Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 specified module could not be found, or DLL error. So the first thing to do, you can try this method. Thank you for answer.microsoft.com. Thank you the users provide us this method. You can try this first method. You can restart Windows module installer service. So you can press Windows key and R, type services MSC. So let's start Windows key and R key and type service m.msc. Now click. This is the services. Now you can look for the Windows module installer service and stop it, then start the service. Restart your PC and check if the issues get resolved. So here you can try to find with the W key and try to search Windows module installer. This one, Windows module installer. You can try to stop and restart. Stop and restart your PC and try to find or check it if the issue get resolved. The second method, you can run a system file checker scan and check if this help. Refer to the following step to run SFC scan. So you can copy this SFC hashtag scan now, copy, and now you can run the CMD. Here you can run as administrator and right click to pass the text that you copied before. Then hit enter, wait the process, beginning system scan. This process will take some time, and after this process finish, you can restart your system and try if the issues resolved. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or subscribe button below. See you in the next video.